Ceratogyrus, Brachycephalus, the rhino-horned baboon. Have you ever seen one of these? That horn, oh my gosh. The shape of that, and then the colors, like the mixture and everything. Amazing. I absolutely love this one. Good eater. I do believe it comes from a dry climate. I believe Africa, but do not quote me on that one. I just love this one. Oh, let's see if I can open it just a little bit more. I'm not trying to yep. It's gonna be trying to hide a little bit. I'm pulling on some of the webbing. It does do light webbing all around and everything. But even, oh my goodness. Look at the spinnerets, they're like gold. Freaking love that. That is amazing. I think the color. And it's so unique in that horn. Well, let me start closing this because I don't want her to dart out too much. I don't want her to dart out at all. But that is the Ceratogyrus Brachycephalus, the rhino-horned baboon.